Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnails, I'm about to show you how to fix the too many failed attempts issue when creating a Yahoo email. So make it sure to watch it until the end because one step trick can solve the problem. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so Yahoo showed this message when you are trying to create or verify too many accounts in a short time. This is temporary, so stop trying for at least 12 to 24 hours. Too many failed attempts will block all new trials for a while. Alright, so just take a break and try again later. And another way is to use WhatsApp for verification instead of SMS. When you are about to create your Yahoo account, choose to receive your verification code through WhatsApp instead of regular SMS. If you don't have WhatsApp account, make one first using your phone number. So sometimes SMS fails due to weak signal or network issues, but WhatsApp message still come through. So that's it. Take a break first, then use WhatsApp for your verification code, and you should be able to create your Yahoo account with no problem. Thanks for watching and see you next time.